Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset iPhone 16. So without further ado, let's get started. But before resetting your phone, it's important to back up all your data to iCloud. To do that, simply open the settings and tap on your Apple ID at the top. And from there, you can simply select iCloud. Now, on the iCloud section, simply tap on iCloud Backup and simply hit Backup Now. And this will ensure that all your important data, including messages and photos, are safely stored. And once your backup is complete, you can simply go back to the settings and scroll down and tap on General. And then from there, you can simply scroll down to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. And after that, tap on Erase all content and settings. Keep in mind, this will completely wipe your iPhone data, including your Apple account wallet and Find My iPhone settings. But since you have backed everything up, you are good to go. Simply hit continue and your iPhone will begin the factory reset process. And once it's done, your device will be good as new. And you can set it up again and get it ready to sell or give away. And that's it. That's how you can reset your iPhone 16. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.